Dark elixir.
Come on, dude.
Can't do like shorten it.
There. Go, dragons, go. Go, dragons, go. Oh, the minute timer is saying,
What you doing?
the dragon dance.
Dancing like a dragon?
I don't think they would dance like that.
Egyptian?
That's like the Egyptian shopping cart.
Egyptian shopping party.
I don't know what that would be.
How did 3 wall breakers just pop up at once when I'm not even making any of them?
They're probably left over from...
I used everything. Like, I was looking at my army camp, like this screen. And I had been staring at it, and all of a sudden 3 wall breakers.
Well, it's not like it was refreshed.
Still. It refreshes every time something's made.
Oh,
It counts up.
I thought you were looking at that. Ta-da! Maybe you should... I haven't been paying attention at all. You should probably read better.
Yeah. Get my eyes fixed so that things just don't pop up out of nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, we still have to wait for that 1 billion in the other coin too. Alright. Turbo dragons.
Nice.